Now this year we present this motorbike totally in copper, and the idea is to use a material which normally becomes to the architecture of the city, and to put this in one of the pieces that goes around the city every day. So to create this link between houses and objects. It's the first time that someone used copper for designing motorcycle, and the idea behind is that in 100 years it will be totally oxidized by the rain, so that it become green. But just my son, or the son of my son, could enjoy this finishing. So it's a little bit a way of thinking about how an object could be long-lasting. You know, I show the first sketch to DeCastelli because my idea from the beginning was really to design, how to design the speed, the concept of speed, out of the roots of the normal design in vehicles and motorcycles. And he was enthusiastic because it was a very big challenge for them. As you know, they work in producing little furniture, or surfaces, or also great pieces of architecture. And this is just in between. It's something very complex, it's something very technological, and it's something which has an innovation. The process of making this motorbike was very interesting because, first of all, they did a model in iron in order to understand the way of putting the iron on the chassis. And then they reproduce in copper, which is very much more difficult to melt and to fix, and they succeed in a very short time. It was just 2.5 months of work to do everything. We have also we are also proud to present this on the chassis of a Ducati Mosca, and this makes the experiment very, very real in this sense. Yeah, it would be fantastic to drive, and the idea of calling it Samotracia is because this motorbike is not aimed to be just fast, but it's designed to win.